Okay, I'm JC Hendricks and I'm dissecting a sheep eye. So first we have the optic nerve, and in there is the blind spot. And then here, this first layer here is the retina, and then on the outside is the scleria, and then in between that is the choroid. And then the fluid that filled this was the vitreous humor, which is this jelly stuff. And then the clear runny fluid was the aqueous humor. And here we have the pupil. And then on both sides of the pupil is the iris. And then inside there is also the cones and rods, which perceives light and has the color of the eye. And then on this side we have the tapetum lucidium, which is the reflective part of the eye. And then here we have the lens.